My buddy, my buddy, my buddy, my buddy. Wherever I go, he goes. My buddy, my buddy, my buddy, my buddy, my buddy and me.
This is basic civil defense information from the Department of Defense, Office of Civil Defense, Washington.
Where do you go to basic?
Fort Sill, Oklahoma.
And what month and year was that?
August 14th, 2004.
Prior to that time, have you ever heard the expression Blue Falcon?
Negative. Never.
You've never heard the expression Blue Falcon?
No.
Have you ever heard of it now?
Right.
Where did you hear it?
And basic.
What and who was called Blue Falcon? Caw-caw, caw-caw, caw-caw.
I remember his name, but he fucked everybody over and they called him a Blue Falcon. I never understood what it meant until recently, until basically said, oh, it means buddy fucker. So.
Thought that was pretty funny?
Yeah.
Do you use the expression now as being a soldier and promotable, getting ready to get promoted to sergeant?
Right.
Do you use it a lot?
Quite a bit.
Outstanding, Air Specialist Layton. Caw-caw, caw-caw, caw-caw.
Thank you.